Daddy.
She's saying hi.
Baba.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mixed. I'm Sam, and today I'm showing you one of the methods I use for Zora's curls on wash day. So Zora is fresh out of the tub. I just washed and conditioned her hair and wrapped it up with a cotton t-shirt. And now I'm adding the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And I'm just running my fingers through her hair to fully coat all her strands with the leave-in conditioner. And next I'm going to be adding the Curl Mix brand growth oil, which I just absolutely love this oil. Zora's tired right now. She's looking at me crazy. But I'm about to give her a scalp massage with this oil. And Zora loves getting her head rubbed. Look at this. Is this not a mood? Next, I'm going to be using the As I Am curling jelly. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rake this through her curls with my fingers, making sure to coat all of her strands. And you guys, there are so many wonderful products on the market. I just decided to try this brand recently and I really like it, but it's not the only one. So if you guys have other products, you can try this style with your products as well. So now I'm going to be finger curling her hair. And I take the strands and I just twirl them around my fingers, and you see they fall in her natural curl pattern, but with a lot more definition and a much better curl than if I were to just leave it completely to dry naturally on its own. And Zora's hair is still pretty short, so I'm doing this in pretty little sections. But if your hair is longer, you're more than welcome to twist the hair in larger sections. You're going to be separating it later anyways, and so you'll get a very similar result. As you guys can see, the freeze-dried strawberries have made another appearance. They get me through styling Zora's hair almost every time, and they're healthy, so it's a win-win. And I have to say, this is not something we'll do every week. I tend to put Zora's hair into protective styles much more frequently than I will leave it down for a variety of reasons. One being her hair won't get tangled if it's in styles, and when I leave it down, it does get tangled. However, when I do something like this with the finger twists, I find that her curl pattern is less prone to knots than if I were to just let it dry naturally. And you can see Zora is just done with me right now. She's ready for her nap. And when Zora wants to sleep, Zora wants to sleep. So I let Zora take her nap. Her hair has air dried. It's been probably about 6 hours. And now I'm going to separate these curls that we formed. And I'm just going to go throughout her hair and just separate the strands. And they kind of separate naturally. So you'll see, you can just kind of pull them apart and you're going to get a lot more volume while maintaining quite a bit of definition. And you guys just have to take a look at these curls. They are so cute. And yes, it's a lot of work, but I get moms out there asking me like, oh my goodness, how do you get her curls so pretty? Or I wish my daughter had curls like that. And this is how. It's not like it just naturally dries perfect. There's a little bit of work that goes into it, but the result is so cute. And I love that it's still her natural curl pattern. So now I'm just going to kind of run my fingers through, shake up her hair a little bit to get even more volume. And then I'm going to let her pick out one of these bows that I got off of Amazon. I'll link that as well as all the other products below. And I'm just going to throw it in her hair. So now we have the cutest, super easy, natural hairstyle on Zora that really showcases her curls. Look at that definition, you guys. I absolutely love this. Zora wasn't trying to pose for a picture, but she's always happy in daddy's arms. This is Zora's hair on day 2 after finger quilling. The hair gets more volume, but the definition remains. And that is one of the reasons why I love finger quilling so much. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Comment down below if this worked for you or what methods you like for achieving curls in our curly girl's hair. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got so much more content coming. See you next time.